people of Bengaluru. Very warm welcome to Vetteri's HSR layout, a new showroom that opens on June 2nd, 2024. Vetteri, a leading gifting store, specializes in promoting Indian handicrafts and taking these beautiful gifts to the world. We've received great patronage from our Bengaluru customers, both online and at our store in Jayanagar that we opened last year. We are located at 19th Main, 23rd Cross, HSR Layout, Bengaluru. Vetteri, a pioneer in return gifts, we have a huge collection of gift options available with us, starting from a price range of 20 rupees, going up to 2000 rupees. All these products are proudly made in India, and we have a huge collection in terms of categories, starting with Meenakari, white metal. We have beautiful zinc alloy products, on top of which we do gold electroplating work. We have silver frames, we have German silver products, brass, wooden utility, and a lot more. All these products can be customized largely based on your preference with respect to printing, color, size, design, and a lot more. These products have been loved by our customers, and we keep curating a lot of new return gifts every single month. Now, let me take you through a quick walkthrough of what we have as a return gift collection in our HSR store. Starting with a Meenakari glass, priced at 59. This one comes with copper finish with beautiful peacock motif all throughout. We also have another variant that comes in brass finish. Looks very classy and comes at a very affordable price. We also have some neutral designs available with us, like these floral prints, and comes with silver oxidized work. This silver oxidized glass is priced at 79. All these glasses comes in very beautiful thank you boxes, making it convenient to present to your guest. We also have wide collection of pen stands available with us. Again, a neutral gift option that you can consider buying and gifting to your loved ones. Again, this one comes with copper work, on top of which we've done very colorful and vibrant Meenakari work. We also have different variants available that comes in silver and gold finish. Next, we have wide collection of tin jars available with us. All these comes with digital prints, and again, very classy choice of gift to be given to your loved ones. Comes at a very affordable price of 89. Next, we have wide collection of Murti items available with us that comes in different sizes. We have 3 different sizes available with us, starting with small, medium, and large. All these comes with zinc alloy as base, on top of which we've done gold electroplating work. This will not tarnish with time. Again, we have different subjects available with us, starting with Lakshmi, Ganesha, Laddu Gopal, Shiv Parivar. We have very vibrant collection of Kamadhenu, cow and calf available with us, which are a great choice of divine gifting option available with us. Next, we have white metal products that comes with different finishes and utility. The one that I'm showing you is a Om-shaped agarbatti diya. Very classy product that comes in both gold and silver oxidized work. We also have these cow and calf that comes in silver finish, a very trending product and a great gift option to be given for a housewarming ceremony or a special puja at home. We also have these very elegant and classy brass diya that comes at a very affordable price of 129. Next, we have silver frames available with us. These are pure 999 silver frames and can be placed at the dash of your car or on your living space. We can customize the subject of these frames based on your preference for any bulk purchase. The one that I'm showing you comes with Lakshmi Ganesha. We also have Tirupati Balaji that comes with beautiful Meena work. We have Radha Krishna, we have Ganesha, and a lot more deity. Next, we have these Kumkum holders. We have wide collection of Kumkum holders available with us. The one that I'm showing you comes with 2 elephants and Lakshmi in the center. Comes with gold electroplating work. Looks very classy and will stay as is. A great choice of gift to be given to your loved ones and is priced at 256. We also have wide variety of Kumkum holders available with us in German silver pattern. We have single cup Kumkum holder, 2 cup Kumkum holder, 3 cup and 4 cup. These have been trending a lot, and especially during the festival season, people prefer to buy this and gift to their loved ones. We also have beautiful Shobla plates. These come with white metal. Again, during festival, considered very auspicious to be displayed at the entrance of your home. We also have some premium gifting options available with us, starting with this very small size elephant. Again, 2 elephants that comes as a pair and is priced at 399. And we also have wide variety of utility products. The Puri boxes that comes in different sizes, starting with 4 inches going up to 7 inches. The one that I'm showing you comes with silver oxidized work, looks very classy, comes with high quality stainless steel and something that will be used regularly by your clients. Next, we also have brass diyas that are available. We have Annapakshi diya that comes with 7 faces. We have 2-tier diyas. We have lotus style diya. Again, a great choice of gift. Here we've displayed our collection of Paduka prayer boxes. All these Paduka prayer boxes comes in 3 sizes, starting with mini size, the regular one and a large one. We can customize the photo of this Paduka prayer box based on your preference. Again, a great choice of personal gifts that you can consider buying for yourself. We also have wide variety of bangle organizers available with us. All these products look very classy and comes with great utility value. May it be a baby shower function or a simple puja at home, these bangle boxes have always been trending and have been a huge hit amongst Vettri's customers. We customize all these bangle organizers with respect to fabric, colors and designs. We have pitchwai prints, we have floral prints, we have prints that comes with Zardosi work, we have very classy peacock feather and a lot more. Here we've displayed our exclusive collection of favor bags. Just think about giving a gift just in hand, or you want to add a very classy favor bag and present that gift to your loved ones. What a difference it would make to the overall gifting experience. Here at Vettri, we strive to create great gifting experience to our customers by ensuring that we are not just presenting the product, but also taking care of their packaging needs. We have wide collection of products in our favor bag collection, starting with jute bags that comes in different sizes and finishes. We have beautiful string bags, potli bags, return gift handbags and a huge collection of sling bags available with us. All these products starts from a price point of 20 rupees, goes up to 200 rupees. We have a jute manufacturing unit where we customize and tailor make each of these jute bags with very high quality jute fabric. All these products can be customized with respect to color, size, prints and design based on your requirement. May it be a wedding, housewarming or even for a corporate gifting requirement, our jute manufacturing unit works 24/7 to make sure that we custom make all these bags, which looks very exclusive and very classy. We also have beautiful string bags available with us and potli bag available with us that comes in a very affordable range and in premium collection as well. So you can come and visit our HSR store to take a look at the entire collection of favor bags and custom pick the product of your choice based on your preference. I just gave you a quick sneak peek of return gifts. We have a lot more products available here that I want you to personally come and discover. We have very vibrant collections available starting from a price range of 20 rupees going up to 5 lakh rupees. We are located at ground floor, number 799, 19th Main, 23rd Cross, HSR Layout, Bengaluru. Can't contain our excitement to host you all at our new store. Do share your feedback on what you think about the store, and definitely we'll keep refreshing a lot of new collection every now and then. So look forward to seeing you at our store. Revel in the joy of gifting to yourself and to your loved ones.